Hi, it's me, Empress Fraser. You know, I was just saying a minute ago, before I actually got that, you know, phone call from my king man. You know, I was just saying a few minutes ago that, it's very important that the men, know their role in this time. You know, it's very important for the men to know their role, you know. And like I said within my previous video, it's to protect, the female. It's not to kill and assault the female. No, we're not doing that. No, we're not, indulging in these things, which persons, out of ourselves, entities which have been created by persons out of yourself, and you have gotten yourself entrapped in that. And you see, entities tell you that, you know, we need to be careful, man. We need to recognize our soul, recognize ourselves, it's very important, for us to just free ourselves, do not entrap, ourselves, so we do not entrap others, because based upon how you, are free with yourself, another will free you, so it's very important for us to be ourselves, and if a man, I want to say, is not, in tune with himself, if a king man is not in tune with his self, he cannot no way find that right, empress, queen, give thanks, he cannot find that right empress, so it's very important that that king man know thyself, so you can connect with the right soul. Yeah, it's all about that, it's all about that, connecting with the right soul. It's very important, so you are free within that person is free within you. We do not do the work of our slave masters entrapping each other. Very important. Very important. Do not entrap each other. That's us, doing the work of our slave masters. So very important. I want to say, to these issues that we are actually having in this time, it's just very important for us to be ourselves, accept each other for who we are, Yeah, if you can change, do that. It's very important that we all be doing that in this time. Very important, Change is very important. Accept things for whatever it is, whatever they are, Just be yourself. Nature will take care of you. Trust me, I know that, Yeah, nature takes care of its people. As the devil do his people too, So everybody's taken care of when it comes to nature. But be yourself, I want to say, and free the other person. So you do not entrap that person. You do not entrap that person's or entities. You do not entrap. You do not bring entities. Sorry, you do not bring entities within you. Yeah, this is where I come in. Yeah, you do not bring entities, I want to say, within you from out of you, because you have now, entrapped yourself to something that is out of you. We need to watch at our social liberty, in how we live as human beings. We need to look at how, we need to look at so many things, we entrap each other in society in some way or the other, yet we don't have to go to the jails, because we have already entrapped ourselves, on this physical level. We have entrapped ourselves. So learn to free each other. Don't entrap somebody and say, this is my love, and I'm not going to share this love. Oh gosh, there is more than enough for everybody. I want to say there's more than enough for everybody, for each and every one of us. So it's very important for us to, I don't know. So I see it, I see in nature, Correct me if I'm wrong, but I don't think so. This is, my spiritual, connections. This is my spiritual connections, my ancestors, reigning within me. Oh, give thanks. Give thanks. Give thanks, for this journey. Yeah. Give thanks. I want to say, just being me, Empress Fraser. Just being me, It's very important for me to be myself, very important, for us to just be who we are, supposed to be individually, and we shine, I can see you, you can see me, and we love each other, very important. We mustn't be selective with the love. Yeah, I think we have to love all, because whether you good or bad, you're part of the cycle, the season, the reason, the thought. You're just a part of the whole shit, So we just need to embrace each other. This is how I see it, with more love, I love to see you, you love to see me, and, nothing is wrong with that. And you love the person, nothing is wrong with that. I love him. I don't give a shit, I think it's important to love all. That's what, like, to me, that is what's most important, Love yourself first. Yeah, don't forget that. Definitely need to be loving yourself first and foremost before you can actually love anybody else, You even have to love persons enough to say, you know what? It is not working out, so it's okay. You can go thy way and I can go my way, It's very important. And still love. God, goodness, still love. We can separate and still love. And nothing is wrong with that. We have to stay connected. It's important. Yeah. Still love. Yeah.